राधे राधे, जय जय कृष्ण, जय भोलेनाथ। हाई स्कूल के पेपर आने वाले हैं, इसलिए हम एसएसटी के बारे में आपको कुछ लैंड रिसोर्सेज के बारे में बता रहे हैं। लैंड रिसोर्सेज, लैंड इज़ अ वाइटल नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज विच सपोर्ट्स नेचुरल वेजिटेशन, वाइल्ड लाइफ, ह्यूमन लाइफ, इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़, ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम. There are several methods to overcome the problems of land degradation due to the finite magnitude of land. Careful planning is necessary to using the available land. India had following land relief features: plains, mountains, plateaus, etc. Land utilization, लैंड का प्रयोग, यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ लैंड रिसोर्सेज इज इन फॉलोइंग: फॉरेस्ट, लैंड नॉट अवेलेबल फॉर कल्टीवेशन, अदर कल्टिवेटेड लैंड एक्सक्लूडिंग फॉलो लैंड, फॉलो लैंड्स, नेट सो एरिया. लैंड यूज पैटर्न इन इंडिया, भारत में लैंड का प्रयोग कैसे होता है? लैंड यूज इज डिटरमाइंड बाय द फॉलोइंग फैक्टर्स: physical factors, topography, climate, soil type. Human activities, human factor, population density, technological capability, and cultural and tradition. Total geographical area of India is 3.28 million square kilometer. The land under pasture has decreased. Most of the land other than the current fallow lands are either of poor quality or the cost of cultivation of such land is very high. NSA varies greatly from one state to another. Punjab and Haryana, NSA 80%. Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Manipur and Andhra Pradesh, Andaman and Nicobar Island, NSA 10%. Forest area is less than the desired 33 of the geographical area. Land degradation and conservation measures continuous use of land over a land period of time without taking proper measures to conserve and manage it resulted in land degradation. Degraded land, forest degraded area, water eroded area, saline and alkaline deposit, wind eroded area. Land is degraded by some human activities such as deforestation, overgrazing by cattle, mining and quarrying. Soil as a resource. Important factors in the formation of soil are relief, parent rock or bedrock, climate, vegetation and other form of life. Other factors are changes in temperature, action and running water, wind and glaciers activities and decomposition and chemical and organic changes take place in the soil. Classification of soil, various relief features, landform, climate, reliefs and vegetation type contribute in the development of various types of soil. Alluvial soil, black soil, red and yellow soil, laterite soil, arid soil, forest soil. Soil erosion and conservation. The removal of top fertile soil is called soil erosion. Factors responsible for soil erosion: natural factor, wind, glaciers and water. Human factors: deforestation, overgrazing, construction and mining. Other factors: defected methods of farming, plowing in the wrong way. Effective measures to control soil erosion: controlled ploughing, strip cropping, trace cultivation, shelter belt. All of students more working of the steady labor and gain more marking. Thank you, Allah.